Planning access templates are a great way to help save you time when it comes to dialing in the planning access selections for one or more clients in RightCapital. To create a planning access template, navigate to the Templates tab of your advisor portal and then click into the Planning Access subtab. Here, you can click the Add Template button in the upper right to create a new planning access template. After renaming your template and then making your planning access selections, you can click the Save button in the lower right corner to save that template for future use. After creating a template, there are two different ways to apply that template to one or more clients. The first way is to click the Apply Template button right here in the Templates module of the Advisor portal. This will allow you to select one or more clients or client groups to assign that template to. The other way to apply a planning access template is within the Clients tab of the Advisor portal. After choosing a specific client from your client list and navigating into their Planning Access tab on the right, you can select a planning access template from your list of saved templates at the top of the Planning Access checklist. For more information on planning access in RightCapital, please feel free to take a look at the RightCapital Help Center or to reach out to our advisor support team for more details.